Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. And for your moon energies, we'll be picking one card. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed, Taurus. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Justice in reverse, Ace of Moons in reverse, and Nine of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you feel that you are in some circumstance today. Maybe you are the reason for the way things are going. Maybe your past mistakes or something you did carelessly are the reason for the way things are happening today in your situation, guys. And you need to accept this thing, maybe this difficulty, maybe it may be your own causing, and you are simply stressed, very anxious, not willing to accept your mistakes. But if you accept these mistakes and move forward, taking the lessons, you will never make the mistake again in your life, and you're going to see positive changes in your circumstances, guys. So maybe this may be your energy in your work or in your relationship. So your past mistakes has given you a lot of learning experience. You must take that with you, guys, not the feelings of hurt or feelings of guilt. That is not going to help you in any way. And see your situation from just like a third person, from a different point of view. That is going to give you more clarity and understanding. So you will be able to handle your situation more effectively if you perceive your circumstances in a different way today, guys, Taurus. And whatever the problems were, whatever was, you can avoid it if you are really attentive today. So in your relationship, maybe based on your experience, you should not repeat the past mistakes, guys. And you must have that understanding, and you must know what will work for you. And you need not worry too much, guys. Changes are a part of life, Taurus. We change so much emotionally, and only if we change, we will reach the goal of our life. So the purpose of our life, whatever it is, we will know that only when changes are happening. So there are a lot of changes happening. Something you feel that it may be your mistakes, the reason for these changes, whatever it is, these changes are inevitable, and these changes are making you the person you are today. So, and these changes are going to influence your future, the way things will go in this relationship. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is 10 of Suns in reverse. So whatever it is, guys, your circumstances may be, you have people in your life whom you can trust. Maybe it may be your person or it may be a honest friend you have, someone you can open your hearts to, and someone you can trust. So you can take their help or guidance on certain things, what needs to be done. So this help is going to change the way things are in your circumstances, guys. You are going to feel greatly relieved with this person's help or with their ideas today, Taurus. So for your career circumstance, we have the Fool. So maybe you are feeling really cheerful, confident about something in your work, some decision you need to make, but these decisions must be made not with that cheerfulness or not with that curiosity. You should make decisions with clarity, guys. You must think it through. Otherwise, you are going to land yourself in some difficult circumstances, Taurus. So for your moon energies, Taurus, we have Blue Moon, a very positive card here, guys. Just like the saying goes, once in a blue moon, some rare opportunity is coming to you, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life. You must make use of it, otherwise it's not going to repeat itself. Maybe in your work some good opportunities are here. If you are confident about that, you can go for that, guys. And even in this relationship, maybe if you love this person, they are coming here to propose to you, or some good changes are happening. You need to accept that their proposal. That is what I see, guys. And you are going to be really happy for accepting. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the Pea, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys. You need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, And maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe, whatever it may be. But the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition, whatever it is. The intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card. For those who chose this card, it's happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship, whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.